we went from this to this. Actually, look at that. It went to, except for a second, 44. At this point, I am unsure what made me more excited, if getting the scooter for the first time or making it go faster. This is absolutely fascinating, and I knew this thing was definitely restricted because of the fact that I was noticing that different YouTubers with different weights, they were testing this thing and they were all getting the same results. And that's when I said, well, yes, this is definitely restricted, and I wasn't wrong. So now, how to unrestrict it? Very simple. But first here, I want to show you the speeds on gear 1, gear 2, and gear 3 being restricted. So this is gear 1. We are doing about 90 miles an hour. Then we have gear 2. We are doing about 25 miles an hour. And finally, gear 3, we are doing about 36, 37 miles an hour with a full charge and getting great voltage, as you guys can see here. So to unrestrict it, all we have to do is turn it off. Now we twist the throttle here to the max. We apply the brakes and we turn on the ignition for 9 seconds, between 8 and 9 seconds. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. We let go, we turn it off, and then we turn it back on. And now it is supposed to be unrestricted. So let's start with gear number 1, or speed number 1, and let's see how fast it goes now. So look at that, gear 1 or speed 1, 33 miles an hour. Let's try gear or speed 2. Now we can do 43 miles an hour. And gear 3, now it says here 54 miles an hour. You guys are seeing it right here, and this is how you unrestrict the scooter. Alrighty guys, so we are testing here the scooter right now unrestricted. It is my first ride. Alright, so let's go. Let's see what we can do here. Yep, and that's exactly what it has done so far. Mainly the acceleration that has changed. .63 volts right now, fully charged. So I think it has to do with the weight too, guys. Again, I am a heavy set rider. Let's see, maximum speed here is about 45 miles an hour. Now the bike speedometer is claiming that I'm going about 41. But we can see here to my phone's GPS. Actually, look at that. It went to, except for a second, 44. So I'm not sure how accurate this is. So we're doing about 5 miles total in range, approximately. we are all set to go back home. According to this GPS app, the maximum we were able to go was about 44 miles an hour. Definitely an improvement, especially on the acceleration side. It was definitely a big improvement versus what we had before. So I would say that it is definitely worth the try. Keep in mind that I am a heavy-set rider. I am pretty sure that people who weight less will get much better results. With this being said, I think we have now completed here the tutorial on how to make your Eahora M1P a little bit faster. Thank you for watching. Subscribe for more. Click on the bell icon so that you don't miss future videos like this. And I'll see you guys on my next one.